And here are my fig cuttings. This I just planted in the like in January. So right now it's June, so about 6 months. I believe these didn't make it. I don't see any growth in them. I was supposed to cut them at 6 inches. These are like 8 to 9. So I think it's better. The shorter, the better. But sometimes they make it like those. They're the same size and they made it, but they're wider in the trunk. I wonder if that has anything to do with it. The other ones that I cut shorter, most of them made it too, and the long ones too, so I'm happy. I usually plant a lot of them because in the same pot because I don't have a lot of space, and also in case some don't make it, I can live with it. So I'm gonna remove all these dead ones now, and then put these back where there's some shade and indirect sunlight. That's one of the main tips, to not leave them in full sun, because that'll kill them the first year. So try to place them where they get indirect sunlight only. Those are my fig cuttings growing. 6 months. Thank you for watching.